Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri mutton Roganjosh. Roganjosh is one of the signature dishes from Kashmir's royal feast Wazwan. Brimming with flavors of different spices and marked by the striking red hue, it's indeed a treat to all senses. So let's get started. For making this scrumptious delicacy, I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. You can take ghee also. It tastes really good in ghee. And 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal chili powder for color. It's very mild but gives good color to the gravy. And 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste you can skip, it's optional. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, green cardamom, few cloves, black cardamom, 2 I have taken, and around 800 grams of meat, and 3 thinly sliced caramelized onions. Onions I am taking as a substitute for shallots that's locally grown in Kashmir called as pran. I have blended it into a paste. Now I have heated up oil in a pan. I have added cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks and cloves. I'll saute it a bit and then add meat and ginger garlic paste. I have kept it on high flame. I'll fry it a bit. It will take around 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes I'll add salt and cover it and keep it on low flame for a few more minutes. It should turn golden brown, kind of brown, totally brown. So here you can see after a few more minutes it's fried nicely. Now I'll be adding all other spices: turmeric powder, chili powder, Kashmiri lal chili powder, fennel seed powder. Mix it and add garam masala and ginger powder. And I'll be adding a teaspoon of water so that the spices won't burn. And again I'll add now onion paste. So I'm going through slow cooking method. I'll just let it cook in the pot only, but it needs patience and time. If you have patience and time, you can go through this method, or else you can transfer it to a cooker and cook it up to 3 whistles. I'll be adding 3 glasses of water. For cooker you need to add just 1.5 glass of water, that will be sufficient. So once it starts to boil, I'll simmer it. I'll keep it on a low flame for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So after 45 minutes, here you can see it has started to thicken, and I'll check the meat also. It is tender now. So I'll keep it on high flame for some time so that it cooks nicely and the gravy thickens a bit. So here our mouth-watering Roganjosh is ready. It's aromatic and it has a thick gravy. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep watching this space for more simple and easy recipes. Thank you.